In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add rows and columns effortlessly by using Framer stacks. To begin, we start with an existing frame on your canvas. Alternatively, if you don't already have one, you can readily create a new frame using the Frame tool. If you're looking for a much more efficient option, consider creating a new frame with the desired layout pattern already applied. This can be done simply by clicking on Layout on your toolbar and then choosing rows or columns before you draw on your canvas. Now that we have a frame, we're going to convert it into a stack. The frame you're looking to transform should be selected first. With the frame selected, right-click, and from the list that appears, pick the option that reads Add Stack. If you're a fan of using keyboard shortcuts, you can simply use Shift+A to do the same. Now you'll have turned a selected frame into a stack. Moving forward, let's set the direction of the stack. How do we do that? Well, with your stack selected, shift your attention to the Layout section that is located in the right-hand Properties panel. You'll see an option to choose the direction. You can pick between rows or columns. Should you have a vertical stack and you want it converted to a row, you can simply change it to columns. Likewise, you can convert a row into a vertical stack by choosing rows. The next step would be adding new items to your stack and arranging them. If you wish to add a new row or column, you can easily drag and drop new elements into the existing stack. Alternatively, it is possible to duplicate items that are already in the stack. On a Mac, you can duplicate by using the Command+C, Command+V commands. If you're on Windows, you can use the Control command instead. Yet another way to duplicate is to hold Alt-Option and start dragging. Next, you'll be looking to adjust the gap between items and the overall padding within the Layout section. To control the positioning of items within your stack, you can use the alignment and distribution settings located in the Layout panel. In essence, this tutorial provides you with detailed steps to add and arrange rows and columns with the help of Framer stacks. With these steps, you'll have every tool needed to have full control over your layout.